Students, in this video I am going to explain the solutions for the questions in the exercise 6.4. The concept knowledge required for this exercise I have explained in the previous video, that is the areas theorem. So once again I will tell the statements. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. So this theorem proof already explained in the previous video, so I will give in the cards. Those who didn't watch, you can once watch so you can understand well. So now let's see the problem. The first question, let ABC is one triangle and DEF is another triangle with the areas 64 cm square and 121 cm square. So and they mentioned the length of the side EF is 15.4 centimeters, and now we need to find out BC. So first question, given area of triangle ABC is equals to 64 centimeters square and area of triangle DEF is 121 centimeters square. So also the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and EF is equals to 15.4 centimeters. So they given the two triangles are similar. So let it be one for example. So from the areas theorem, if the two triangles are similar, then the ratios of their areas is equals to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we can write by that area of ABC triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to BC by EF whole square. Why? Because we need to find out BC and they given EF. So BC and EF are the corresponding sides. So this is 64 by 121 and BC we don't know. EF they have given 15.4 whole square. So then this we can write as BC by 15.4 is equals to a root of 64 by 121. So BC by 15.4 equals to root 64 is 8 and root 121 is 11. So BC is equals to 8 by 11 into 15.4. 11 ones are 11 ones, decimal point, so 0.4 is the remainder here, 4 fours are 4. So BC is equals to 8 into 1.4. BC is equals to 14 point into 8, that means 14 eighths, 112. That there is decimal point, so we can write as 11.2 centimeters. So now the length of BC is equals to 11.2 centimeters. The second question, the diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD intersect at O, and they given if AB is equals to 2 times of CD, then find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. The question they mentioned clearly trapezium. So actually we know that trapezium means there one pair of sides should be parallel. So a quadrilateral in which one pair of sides are parallel, then it is a trapezium. We know that in trapezium one pair of sides should be parallel. So already they given the parallel sides also. AB and CD are parallel and they mentioned diagonals intersect at O, and also they given AB, the length of AB is twice the CD. Now we need to find out the ratio of the areas of the triangles AOB and COD. So already they mentioned diagonals intersect at the point O. So based on that we can write the figure, we can draw the figure. Suppose if ABCD, if it is a trapezium, so they said already these two sides are parallel. Now the diagonals intersects at O. So this is O. So now given AB is parallel to CD, that is the given data, and O is the point of intersection of the diagonals AC and BD. If AB parallel to CD, then we can say angle DCA is equals to angle CAB, because if lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. So similarly, we can say angle CDB is equals to angle ABD. So that means DCA is equals to CAB and CDB is equals to angle ABD. So let it be 1. Why this means? These are alternate interior angles. So if lines are parallel, then alternate angles are equal. If you consider triangle AOB and triangle COD, so now clearly you can write here angle OAB is equals to angle OCD and angle OBA is equals to angle ODC. So how we are able to write means from this one, OAB is nothing but CAB, OCD is nothing but the DCA. So from 1 we can write this. So now by this what we can write? So by AA similarity we can say triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. So now by the theorem we can write, so area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD we can write as AB by CD whole square. So 2 times of CD by CD. So how means? They already in the given data itself they given. So given AB is equals to 2 times of CD, so that we replace it now. So CD 2 by 1 whole square, that is equals to 2 square by 1 square. Finally we will get 4 by 1. So this is triangle AOB by area of triangle COD. So that means area of triangle AOB is to area of triangle COD equals to 4:1. So you can find the ratio like this.